Hey everybody, just wanted to give you an update on the Hooptie 2007 Volvo S60 2.5T all-wheel drive, silver metallic, looks so good. As you recall from the last video, this thing had some hail on it, and I had my dent guy take the hail out, and it is absolutely perfect. I think that's one of the biggest things that the general public probably doesn't know about is paintless dent repair. So I didn't have to do any paint work on this car. The dent guy was able to push out all the dents or glue pull them. And if you remember, there was a huge one like right here and it's gone. You can't see it at all. So he did a fantastic job. I'd give him a shout out in the video, except he always says he's got too much work, so I don't want to give him any more customers because he says he's got too many already. But anyways, next thing I think I'm going to do is have my guy Jose polish this up, get some of the scratches out. The trunk lid, you can see right there, has got some scratches. The top of the deck lid is this part right here, which is, I think this is plastic. It's kind of faded. So we're going to wet sand that and polish that up as well. There's a couple scratches on the roof as well. But I just want to kind of shine it up. I'm also thinking about getting new wheels for this, maybe some T5 wheels, and making these my winter wheels, as they're kind of corroded already and they're not very nice, and I don't feel like refinishing them. I'd rather just get some new wheels and make these my winter wheels. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments below about how good this car looks now. So the other thing, when I got this car, I emailed my mechanic and I showed him a picture of it, and the first thing he said is, "When's the timing belt been done?" And I was like, well, that was weird. That's a pretty quick question to ask. And apparently it's a maintenance item on these Volvo S60s and basically any of the 2.5 turbos from Volvo. It's a maintenance item at 100,000 miles, and you're going to want to get it done. And if you don't know if it's been done, it's just a ticking time bomb. And what's really funny is I was watching YouTube yesterday, and I was watching The Car Wizard, and let me know in the comments below if you guys watch The Car Wizard. I watch The Car Wizard every once in a while. He has some cars that are interesting and like hearing what he says because he's a really honest mechanic and really knows his stuff. But anyways, he had an S60 2.5 T5. It was a 2009, so a little bit newer than this one, and the customer wanted a tune-up, and he was refusing to do the tune-up unless they did their timing belt, because their timing belt was cracking, and it's just a matter of time before those blow up, and it blows up the whole engine when those timing belts go. So it was a really neat episode. I'll link it in the description below to that video. But anyways, let me know what you guys think of the new Hooptie. And so far, I'm loving it. Got a couple other things in mind. Check out this interior. Now, I basically vacuumed it and wiped it down, but it is in really nice shape. So the only problem I have is the steering wheel is cracked. You can see the finish on it got super hot and then it just cracked. So you could sand this down and maybe respray it, but I think I'm just going to get a steering wheel cover for it. Something in this car got really hot one day because the carpeting on the inside of my A-pillar is starting to come loose. You can kind of see it right there. So not sure how I'm going to fix that. Maybe you can get this whole piece, or just going to have to take it off and glue it down or something. And my rearview mirror is kind of disintegrating, the reflective part. Anyways, this video's gone on probably a little too long, but thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you think of the Hooptie, what I should do next, and just wanted to give everybody an update and show you how good of a job my dent guy did on this thing, because it looks fantastic now. And have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.